Turn Your Life Upside Down is a 4-week, 4-module course designed to get you knowing what your authentic truth is and moving towards your passions. Everything is possible when we believe it to be so. My life is an example of this. This course contains a fully illustrated ebook, 5 guided yoga practice, 7 guided meditations, and a wealth of exercises and journaling that you can do on your own. The idea of the course is to help you discover what your true nature is, what lies underneath, what makes you come alive, and then start taking the steps towards living that dream. Each week, you will receive a yoga practice to help you on your journey towards achieving a handstand. You'll also get guided meditations filmed with me on the beautiful beaches of Costa Rica. In addition, each module contains at least 2 journaling exercises for you to do on your own, a practice of self-inquiry, an opportunity to get inspired. So please join the journey. Get to know your own self a little bit better. Turn your life upside down.